State your names.
Lori Anderson.
All right. We're here today for a decision on this case, but I'm a bit confused about one thing. Ms. Anderson, you filed a new case for non-payment?
Yes, that was just to make sure for
Make sure of what?
she hasn't paid September, October, or rent. So I was told to file a 7-day.
Did you put September in escrow?
No, I have not.
When are you going to do that?
Notice how the plaintiff is juggling multiple cases at once. This is where procedural confusion can really slow things down. The court is trying to keep everything orderly, but as viewers, you can already see tension building. Have you ever seen someone mix up court filings like this?
This Friday.
This Friday. And then what about October?
I'm going to get that in as soon as possible as well. I don't have a deal.
So
I thought I was supposed to.
What?
Sorry.
What did you say?
I thought I was supposed to, since she was late for rent for 3 months.
Well, if I render a decision on this case, something's got to be done with that one because this is a non-payment also.
Yeah, it is, sir. I'm sorry.
When is that set for?
November 7th.
That's the 8:30 hearing. My date after that is in what? No, no, this for Tuesday. So here's what I'm going to do. That case, have you been served on that case, ma'am? A new one?
So, yes.
To come to court on the 7th?
Yes.
All right. I don't know why that was done, but it's now caused a bit of confusion in this procedure. Yes.
I thought I was supposed to when it was late. I'm sorry if I made a mistake, but
Well, there's an escrow order that's in this case, and you went through a whole hearing on this case.
Yeah.
And I'm going to render a decision, but that other case is outstanding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that proceed on the 7th. I'm going to adjourn this case my decision on this case to November 18th to allow that case to catch up because I don't want a stray case out there. You have the option if you want to, I'm still adjourning this one out to that date, but you do have the option that what you can do is you can dismiss that other.
Here's a smart move by the judge, adjourning the case to allow the other matter to catch up. This is classic courtroom efficiency. He's preventing redundant hearings while keeping the timeline clear. Imagine how chaotic it would get if both cases ran simultaneously.
Case, because I don't know what you would get out of that case that you wouldn't get in this case.
can I dismiss the?
I don't have it in front of me. I don't even know why you filed it.
Can I dismiss this case and just go with this one on the 7th, since it's for non-payment of rent? That's what I prefer to do.
I'm not going to relitigate this whole case.
That's
what you want to do.
No, I just want to do it for non-payment of rent. I can dismiss the first case and just.
Well, she's got some counterclaims. You want to just dismiss this case and just go forth on.
Keep going. We've been here since June, so.
I know.
I mean, there's also an outstanding water balance of almost $1,500. So I would just rather cancel this case since I'm the plaintiff and then just go with the 7th.
Yeah.
The water bill she mentioned, she took the water bill out of my name and paid it in full.
It was due on the 6th, and they said it would go on my tax bills if I didn't pay it.
I don't know why I'm talking about a water bill at this point.
Sir,
What do you want to do? Because you've got this thing all over the place.
I'm going to withdraw this case and just go with the 7th for non-payment of rent. She's 3 months behind right now, and the water bills.
How can she be 3 months behind?
September, October, and then it'll be November, and then the water bill of $1,500. So it's well over.
Pause for a second. Look at those numbers. $15,000 owed with only $6,600 in escrow. This is why timing is critical in rent and utility disputes. Every delay deepens the hole. Comment below, have you ever dealt with escalating bills like this?
She owes a total of $15,000, a little over 15, and she has 6,600 in escrow. So it's getting deeper and deeper. The further we delay it, the bigger the hole gets.
I'm not delaying anything. You keep doing stuff.
I want to withdraw this one and just go for the 7 since I'm the plaintiff on both. For non-payment of rent, that's all I'm concerned.
No, I know. That's why I don't understand the second case.
Well, that's all I want is the.
I mean, you think I'm sitting up here and don't know anything.
Yeah.
I look stupid, but I'm.
No, you're very smart, sir.
Oh, I know that.
I would just rather withdraw this case and just go on with the 7.
You let me know when you're done talking.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you done?
Yeah, I mean, the other attorney
Apparently not. Go ahead.
the other attorney I was working with before.
Now we get a mini legal lesson. Dismissing a case doesn't erase any of your claims. The judge is explaining how you can still pursue your rights later. This is procedural strategy at its finest. Don't miss how careful phrasing protects both parties.
Suggested that I do that I withdraw this case and just do the 7-day notice. That's what he suggested. He said that would be easier.
You done?
Yes, sir.
Lyman, what would you like to do? So just so that you understand, if she dismisses this case, what I would do is I would pay the escrow over to her, okay, on this case. None of, if you dismissed it, I would be dismissing any of your claims that you have against her. I wouldn't be dismissing any of them with prejudice. You'd be able to raise them in the other one if that's what you choose to do. But that's up to you. And then you'd have to come back on the 7th and we'll see exactly where we are.
I just feel like we should just keep going because this one.
But
Finish it out.
since I'm the plaintiff, don't I have the right to cancel that one, listening to my counsel?
Should have gotten an attorney before you started.
I
But
know, but that's what he suggested I do. He said,
no, because once she's answered, she has the same right. She can say no.
okay. So if I cancel the one on the 7th, can we just be done with this today?
Courtroom pragmatism at work. Rather than relitigating overlapping cases, the judge streamlines the process. This keeps the story moving and prevents wasted time. It's a subtle but powerful example of judicial efficiency.
Is that better? I just don't want to keep dragging this on. So if I just kill the one for the 7th and we just,
Ma'am, I can't give you.
well, that's what I want to do.
as to, well, I don't have that case in front of me. It hasn't even been heard. It was filed.
It was just for non-payment of rent, but since you said it overlaps this one, then let's just cancel that one and just do the non-payment of rent on
That's
this.
what I'm gonna do. You're gonna stop talking,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna do what I was gonna do at the beginning. That is, I'm gonna let that other case catch up. They're just gonna be together because you elected to file it. Under what reasoning, I'm not even concerned about that. But I'm not gonna have two cases standing out in this situation. So I'm adjourning this case for its decision to November 18th. When we get to the other case on the 7th, I will try to have that case catch up with this case, and then we can just decide everything, unless somebody wants to file something else in the interim. Thank you.
Thank you.
What time on 18th?
9.
Are we coming on the 7th as well, sir? Okay. Thank you.
You know what? My good friend Mr. Lloyd was sitting there and he wouldn't help. He just sat there. Just sat there and watched me flail. Nothing like having friends. Did you see that? You did. I did too, Joe. Court calls the case of the people versus Gabriel Shawaka.
Water Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Sting Saxon on behalf of Gabriel Shawaka. Present to my right.
State your name, sir.
Gabriel Schwab.
All right. Set for a preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
People are ready, Your
All right. I call your first witness.
Honor.
First, I'm asking first, sequestration.
Easy. You just said.
Easy for me to say.
Witnesses are hereby ordered sequestered.
I would ask that the OIC, Mr.
Shift gears. Now we're on to the Gabriel Shawaka case. Notice how the preliminary examination sets the stage. Every detail, like witness location and spelling of names, matters for legal accuracy. Even minor errors could be challenged later, which keeps the stakes high.
tried a while to be allowed to sit. I do not intend to call any.
Officer in charge may remain in the court.
Not intended comment?
I don't think I'm going
There's somebody behind you. All right. May I have him sworn?
Right hand. So I swear upon the testimony about you. True, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
See, state and spell your first and last name for the record.
My name is Lyman. A-R-M-O-H-A-M-M-A-D.
Main corner.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Muhammad, I'm going to turn your attention to August 14th, 2025, at approximately 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Where were you at that time?
At Zippy's Car Wash on Carpenter Road.
And is that located at 5300 Carpenter Road? And to your knowledge, that's in the Pittsfield Township and within the County of Washtenaw, State of Michigan?
Yes.
And what were you doing there?
Cleaning it off.
And were you there by yourself?
No, I was accompanied by my sister, Haneen Muhammad.
Could you spell her name for the record, please?
H-A-N, Muhammad, M-O-H-A-M-M-A-D. And my friend, Talal Al-Maita.
Would you spell Talal's name, please?
I know the spelling of his first name, but not his last. His first name is spelled T-A-L-A-L.
Does A-L-M-A-I-T-A sound correct?
Yes.
And while you were there vacuuming your car, what if anything happened?
So as we were vacuuming our cars, Talal then went to the car wash and came back and parked his vehicle at the end of the vacuuming station, where the entrance is for the vacuuming station at the back car wash. And he was waiting for me to finish. As I finished, I was exiting the car wash.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but just to clarify, you drove separate vehicles?
Yes.
Okay. So as you were finishing vacuuming,
So as I was finishing vacuuming, I noticed that Talal finished his car wash, and so I was exiting the vacuuming station. And as I was exiting the vacuuming station, I noticed that he was still. And then I also noticed that Michelle was coming into the car wash.
all right, I'm going to stop you there. When you say you were exiting, were you walking or you were driving your vehicle?
I was driving.
Okay. And you said Jabril Shawaka. Did you personally observe him?
Yes.
And did you know him before you saw him that day?
Yes.
How do you know him?
He is my brother-in-law's brother.
Your brother-in-law's brother. Could you explain to the court what you mean by that?
His brother, Steve Shawaka, is currently married but going through a divorce with my sister, Haneen Muhammad.
And Haneen Muhammad was with you.
Yes.
Okay. So you observed Mr. Shawaka come into the car wash. Could you describe your relation, or excuse me, strike that, Judge, I'm sorry. How many times have you met with or spoken to Jabril Shawaka?
Probably a handful of times, probably about 5, I'd say.
And how would you describe the state of your relationship at that time?
At that time, there's a lot of animosity and conflict, and it's an aggressive relationship with them.
And could you describe for the court what you mean by that?
So basically, every encounter that I've had with them in the previous has been very negative. There's been violent threats. There has been multiple encounters of shouting, cussing out my family, disrespect, neglect of family members.
And would this be, what are this animosity related to?
This animosity is related to my sister and Steve Shelka, Muhammad and Steve Shelka, having conflict in their marriage and going through with a divorce.
Okay. So with that in mind, when you observed Mr. Shawaka come into the